In this Elementor tutorial video, I will show how to add a drop-down menu in WordPress Elementor. As you can see over here, this is a drop-down menu. When I hover over it, the drop-down menu appears, okay? And you can hover over team. You see there another nested drop-down menu appears, okay? History and qualifications, okay? When I hover over about, you see this is the drop-down menu that appears, okay? So now I'm going to show you how to create this drop down menu exactly like this one, okay? And it is very easy to do, so let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to start right from the beginning over here. So you see this about, and there is no drop down menu at the moment. So what I'm going to do right now is hover over here and open up the dashboard on in a new tab, okay? So it's opening it up. Okay, dashboard open up the back end of our WordPress website. So now I'm going to go to hover over appearance and then go to menus, okay? So I need the drop down menu over here under about. Okay, so let's add the drop down menu over here. So the first thing we need to do is add the team menu item team. Okay, and for URL I'm just going to type in hash. Okay, it's a custom link. Okay, I will place this under about. Okay, you see when I place this over here. Now what I'm going to have to click on this and drag it to the right. Okay, drag it to the right like this one so that it is nested under about. The next item I'm going to add is history. 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 Hash. Okay. History. Same thing. I'm going to drag and nest it under team. Okay. The next thing I'm going to add is qualification. Okay. I'm going to type in qualification and I'm going to place the link as hash. Okay. Okay. Great. Qualifications. I'll save this for now. Okay, great. And if I check the front end, okay, these three drop down appears over here. Now let's add more items under the teams, sub items. Okay. And the first thing I will go to custom link and add the first name, John Smith, John Smith, hash, add to menu. I'm going to drag and nest it under teams. Okay. Okay. Then I'm going to add the item, uh, Tony Smith, hash. Okay. Tony Smith. And then I'm going to add the third menu item nested under team, which is going to be Will Smith hash. Okay, I'll drag and place it under this one, Tony Smith. Okay, great. I'll save menu. And if I click on this and refresh the page, let me show you how it looks. About team, John Smith, Tony Smith, Will Smith. And these are the more drop down menu items below this. Okay. So this is how we can easily create or add drop down menu in Elementor WordPress. So I hope that you have found this video useful, and if you did, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.